If your Stripe payment failed, it can be stressful. Customers can't complete their purchases and you're left troubleshooting. Yeah, this usually happens because of card issues, account restrictions, or configuration errors. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe payment failures, step by step. First, check the exact error message in your Stripe dashboard. You might see codes like card_declined, insufficient_funds, or incorrect_CVC, which tell you why the payment failed. Next, make sure the customer's card details are correct. Check the card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address. Ensure that the payment method is supported and your Stripe account is fully verified. Unverified accounts or unsupported cards can cause failures. Make sure the card has enough funds. If it doesn't, ask the customer to try another card or bank account. After resolving any issues, try processing the payment again. Temporary network or bank errors can cause one-time failures. If the payment still fails, contact Stripe support. They can review logs and help identify the exact problem. And that's it. Following